I'm coming on here today because I want to offer you a quick self-regulation tool. I think a lot of us probably need it right now. There's a lot happening in the world that is heartbreaking and beyond our control. So I just want to offer you this very simple strategy to bring some regulation and calm into your nervous system. Very simply, just take your arms, your hands, and place them on either side of your shoulder. Ideally, your feet are planted firmly on the ground. You're either sitting in a chair or standing. And all I want you to do is just give yourself a gentle hug to start. Feel your body. Feel your breath coming in and out of your body. And then just gently start to tap. If you have a sense of your heartbeat or heart rate, you can tap along at that speed. And then slowly just take some deep, calming breaths, ideally in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can go a little bit longer on the exhale. That's ideal. Then you want to have at least 3 of those deep grounding breaths. That's going to help bring up your parasympathetic tone, bring a sense of groundedness and calm in. All the while tapping along, slowing down that pace just till you start to feel the calm come. You can even tell yourself, right here, right now, I'm safe. Right here, right now, I'm safe. You can do this anytime, anywhere. Just give yourself a little hug and know that you're safe. Sending love out across the interwebs to everybody today, and hoping for peace soon.